Welcome to page 26 of your linear packet. On this page, you're going to look at a graph and identify whether that graph is the graph of a linear equation, the graph of a quadratic equation, the graph of a cubic equation, absolute value equation, or an inverse equation. There are certain characteristics that we look for in each. Remember, a linear equation graphs as a line, and it can be proportional or it can be non-proportional. A quadratic graphs as a parabola. A cubic graphs almost in an S-shaped curve. An absolute value function graphs as a V, and an inverse function graphs like this. So, take a look at each of the graphs that you've been given and write down which type of function you have. For example, number 1, we can clearly see that this is a parabola. So, this is a quadratic function. Write it down right now. Go through each and identify the function. When you're ready, turn the video back on and correct your work. Please pause the video now and do the remaining 7 problems. When you're ready, turn it back on. Let's take a look at the work you've done and correct it. Number 2 is a straight line. It's linear. Number 3 is V-shaped. Give yourself a C if you wrote absolute value. Number 4 is a cubic function. Give yourself a C if that's correct. Number 5 is quadratic. Give yourself a C. Number 6 is inverse function. Number 7 is a linear function. And number 8 is an absolute value function. This concludes page 26.